My name is Fillipus. I represent Centurion, which is a South African-based company involved in total dust management solutions for quarries and for the mining industry. So our solutions include all-road dust management, then including material handling. So on all-road dust management, what we do is we tailor-make solutions based on the customer's requirements. So then the process includes taking the aggregates from the client site and water, and we check which product is most suitable. Then as a result, then we can put together a solution that is suited for the customer. So then that helps us to offer the solution that the customer can be guaranteed of the first time. And what goes with that as well is the maintenance aspect of the product. Because we don't sell product, we sell solutions. We provide a crew to have a look at or to maintain the roads and ensure that the customer continuously gets the solution that is required. So then with what we have done to date, we have seen customers saving within the mining industry in excess of 90% water. Then we have seen also tire life improvement because of the quality of surface that we provide. And that as a world, because of reduced rolling resistance, then the positive spin-off is savings in energy, which in this case it will be fuel. Then and that as well helps as well in terms of maintenance reduction on the trucks. So then that extends the equipment lifespan. So then recently we have run a trial in the UAE at one of our sisters company, Paris, Colas Gauteng, whereby we have achieved more than 70% water savings, and we've also managed to extend the tire lifespan for the tires of the dump trucks, because it's one of the biggest costs as well. So then also water being the biggest cost, so then that has been a positive spin-off, and they are riding on a surface that is good, it's got less defects, and there's no dust as well. That's basically what we do.